So I just got done watching Speak No Evil. And I'm going to let you know, it was by far the best movie I have seen all year long. Baby, let me tell you something. I ain't even gonna make this no spoiler. But James gave Jack Nicholson vibes from The Shining. Okay? He gave Jack Nicholson from The Shining. Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. This movie was definitely a 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend you to go see it. If you like thriller, horror films, if you like suspenseful movies, this is the best thing to go watch. Oh my God. I hadn't seen something good in so long. And it was definitely a lesson learned. Like, it's okay to set boundaries. It's okay to say no. And like baby, when I tell you that husband had me wanting to fight the screen, baby, he pissed me off. That's the only spoiler I'm going to give you. Do you understand? He had me wanting to fight that screen. But hands down, it was definitely worth the money. I definitely recommend. Oh my God, I want to watch it again. Like when it stream, I'm definitely gonna watch that. 10 out of 10, y'all. Y'all check it out. Bye.